Hi there. I'm Bheesham Kumar, a dedicated data analyst with extensive experience in Excel. I specialize in transforming raw data into actionable insights. With a strong command over Excel VBA and macros, I automate repetitive tasks, optimize workflows, and build powerful data models to increase efficiency. Do you spend countless hours on repetitive tasks, wishing there was a magical solution to streamline your workflow? Look no further. I am your Excel wizard, ready to weave the magic of VBA, macros, forms, pivot tables, and Excel's most powerful formulas to transform your spreadsheet into a more powerful one. I offered VBA and macro script, Excel advanced formulas, dashboards, Excel-related solutions, data analysis, reporting processes, pivot tables, data visualization techniques, and more. Let's collaborate to make your Excel processes more efficient and professional. Get in touch, and let's unlock the full potential of your data.